Hi guys, Al here. Welcome to Hooks Hot Rods, and I'd like to say thanks to the new subscribers for joining the channel. Please leave a comment and share with your friends. So I got a package from another YouTuber and a sticker, and it's from Dave at Scott's Hot Rods. Check him out on YouTube. So I'm going to put a sticker up on the wall with on the stop sign there, and I'm going to open up the package that I got from him. I'll set it up and be right back. So, yeah, nice fiber cloths so I can get the dust off of this thing and keep it clean. Thanks, Dave. Awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting a sticker up here. I'm gonna be repainting the garage as soon as I get this truck done. So I'm putting all my stickers on my signs so that I can just take them down and not lose them. Kind of like trying to open up a grocery bag at the grocery store. There we go, awesome. Thanks again, Dave. So I've been working a lot lately. I just finished my last Saturday working, so now I'll have weekends to work on it. So what I've done since my last video is I have the fuel pump set up here. That's my transmission cooler in there. And the exhaust system's all in except for the dumps that I'm going to have made up after after everything opens up. And right now I'm just getting ready to start on the wiring. I'm gonna start running the wires. I don't want anything coming through the firewall, so I put grommets in up underneath here. And all the wiring's coming out there, so I can hide it pretty well. So yeah, that black thing there is a grommet. And I put one on each side. I'm going to run the front stuff out this side. Everything going to the rear out that side. And I have the shifter in, hooked up. I'm hoping to fire up the motor today again. Now that I have the wood off, I might be able to hear it, how it's running a little better. So I'll get some work done and bring you back later. So I've done a bit of wiring on it today. And just run some of the wires. I still have to get a fuse box and some wire loom. And yeah, and I can't get in anywhere. I can't get the stain for the wood because I've got to get in and look to see what I'm going to try and match it up to this to the seats and the door panels. So I gotta find the right stain, and you can't do that over on the internet. Adjusted the brake pedal. It was up too high. And right now I'm just gonna tie wrap. These are the new spark plugs, but I have to get proper holders for them. And yeah, hopefully tomorrow I can get those. So I'm just gonna zip tie them up out of the way right now and go looking for that leak. I don't know how it's going to run. It hasn't. I fired it up 2 weeks ago, but that was it. And there was an exhaust leak in this header. So I'm just going to tie wrap the wires up so they don't get burnt. Try and fire it up and see if I can find that leak. Pop the header off and get it fixed. It's really hard to work on it because right now I need like a throttle cable. I want a nice throttle cable to go through the firewall. I got to get a coil mount for the firewall. I got to get the stainless steel rods for here, and you can't go in anywhere to look for this stuff, so I have to wait. Okay, I'll get those zip tied up out of the way, and bring you back once I'm ready to fire it up. Okay, so I found the source of the leak. There's a crack in this pipe right here. And then there's also another crack right here. Hopefully it focuses in. There we go. So there's two cracks, one right there. And then a second one right there. So I'm going to get those welded up and see how it goes. Well, it runs. Still need some tuning on the carbs. And I gotta get some parts. That's all there is to it. I'm out of parts. Now that I know it runs, I really want to take it for a ride. So hopefully this week I can get somewhere to get the parts I need. I gotta get a fuse box, dimmer switch for the headlights, stain for the wood, speedometer cable, lots of little parts. Okay, so that's it for my day off this week. Next weekend I get the whole weekend, but I've got to go away on Saturday, so yeah, hopefully I get it out next Sunday for a trip up the street. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget, leave a comment, and please subscribe. Let your friends know. Share it on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, any place. All right, thanks guys.